students, I am Samia Khan, your English teacher, and today I will teach you the first chapter of our literature book, that is the poem. So, the first chapter is a poem. The title of the poem is My Shadow. I have a little shadow that goes in and with me, and what can be the use of him is more than I can see. He is very, very like me from the heels up to the head, and I see him jump before me when I jump into my bed. The poet is talking about his shadow. The poet is saying that he has a little shadow that goes in and with me. It means wherever the poet goes, the shadow also goes with him. What can be the use of him is more than I can see means the use of shadow is that he can see the shadow. He is very, very like me from the heels up to the head. It means that the shadow is very much like the poet. From heels up to the head means from top to bottom, that is from head to toe, the shadow is similar like the poet. And I see him jump before me when I jump into my bed. It means that whenever the poet jumps into his bed, or we can say whenever the poet goes to his bed, the shadow is the first one to jump before him. The funniest thing about him is the way he likes to grow. Not at all like proper children, which is always very slow. For he sometimes shoots up taller like an India rubber ball, and he sometimes goes so little that there is none of him at all. And the most funny thing about the shadow is that it grows the way the shadow grows. Why it is funny? Because it is not at all like proper children. Normally proper children grows very slow. They does not grow quickly or all of a sudden, but shadow grows very quickly. Sometimes he grows so taller like a rubber ball, the shadow grows taller, and sometimes he becomes so small, so little that there is none of him at all, means we cannot see him only. He hasn't got a notion of how children ought to play, and can only make a fool of me in every sort of way. He stays so close behind me, he is a coward, you can see. I would think shame to stick to nursie as that shadow sticks to me. The poet is saying that he hasn't got a notion. Notion means idea or understanding of how children ought to play. The poet is telling that the shadow does not got any idea or understanding of how children used to play. The only thing the shadow knows is to how to make a fool of the poet in every sort of way. He stays so close behind me, he is a coward, you can see. The poet is saying that the shadow always stays very close and he is always behind him, and the poet is calling his shadow a coward. What is coward? Coward means a person who is not brave, or in Hindi we can say darpok. So the poet is telling that the shadow is always very close to him, he is always behind him, so he is a coward person. And I would think shame to stick to nursie as the shadow sticks to me. And the poet is saying that he does not stick to his nursie in the way the shadow sticks to him. Nursie means a nurse, or we can say a caretaker who takes care of small children. One morning very early, before the sun was up, I rose and found the shining dew on every buttercup. But my lazy little shadow, like an errant sleepy head, had stayed at home behind me and was fast asleep in bed. The poet is saying one morning when he wake up early, very early, before the sun was up, means before the sun has risen, the poet has wake up and he rose and he found the shining dew on every buttercup. You know, dew are small drops of water which are found on ground and leaves at night, so that is dew. And buttercup is a plant which has yellow flowers, and that flowers are shaped like a cup, so we call it buttercup. So one morning very early, before the sun was up, the poet has risen and he found some dew drops on ground and leaves, on the leaves of flowers of buttercup. But my lazy little shadow, like an errant sleepy head, had stayed at home behind me and was fast asleep in bed. But where was the shadow? The poet is saying that his shadow is a lazy person. Why? Because the shadow was not there. And like an errant means naughty or bad. So like an errant sleepyhead. Sleepyhead means one who is very lazy and he wants to sleep. So the poet was saying that the shadow was very lazy person. He was at home only and he was in the bed of poet and he was sleeping over there. Now with this we finish the explanation of the poem. Now we come to the poet. The poet of this poem is Robert Louis Stevenson. Okay, and we can see that this poem is about the childhood. The poet is a child over here and he is telling about his shadow. Now let's jump to the next section, that is word meaning. Here are few words, difficult words which are given in the poem, and here is their meaning. So there are 7 words like shoots up. Shoots up means to grow suddenly or quickly in one direction. India rubber means natural rubber. Notion means idea or an understanding of something. Then again coward. Coward means a person who is not brave. Dew means small drops of water. I told you earlier also that forms on the ground and leaves. Buttercup is a plant with shiny small yellow flowers that are shaped like a cup. And next is errand. Errand means being bad or naughty. So students, with this I have explained the poem as well as the word meaning. Now comes to your homework. So your homework is that you have to maintain your English 2 notebook, and in that notebook you have to write down this poem as well as these word meanings, and you have to learn this. This poem you have to write down in your notebook, and this word meaning you have to write down in your notebook, and you have to learn them as well. Okay, so that's all for today's class. Hope you like it. Till then, keep learning, stay home and stay safe.